Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings and navigating straight to the keyboard controls so you can change suggestions. Once you reach languages and input, pick the on-screen keyboard you actually use. This affects where Auto Words live. Tap Text Correction or Suggestions. That's the panel that stores learned words and toggles for predictive text. You're doing this first because disabling here prevents new auto words from appearing while you clear the existing list, making the following steps effective and immediate. Now you disable the features that generate and reuse auto words so they stop suggesting bad entries. Turn off predictive text and autocorrection. Make sure any suggestion toggles are off. Next, find the option labeled Clear Learning Data or Delete Personalized Suggestions and tap it. This removes the keyboard's stored vocabulary. Confirm the prompt to permanently erase learned words. Once done, the keyboard will stop offering those learned entries and will build a clean profile from your new. Finish by testing. Open any app and type common phrases to verify suggestions are gone. If you still see unwanted auto words, make sure to clear learning data on any other active keyboards because multiple keyboards can conflict. If words persist after clearing everywhere, reboot the phone to flush caches and check for keyboard app updates. Outdated apps sometimes restore old data. If problems continue, consider uninstalling keyboard updates or switching to a different keyboard. That usually resolves stubborn suggestion issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.